everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can easily change language on Golf Battle. To change language on Golf Battle, first of all, you'll need to launch open the Golf Battle game on your device. Once you're inside the home page of Golf Battle game, go ahead and tap on the gear button at the top left corner. From the settings menu that appears on the screen, go find the language option and tap on change right next to it. Now select the different language you want to change to and click on confirm. Soon after you do that, your language setting will change immediately. You can always repeat this step in order to find a different language and change it whenever you want in the game. So that's how you can easily change your language setting in Golf Battle so that you can feel more comfortable and fun in the language you prefer. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Stay tuned till then.